today we're making a video. Today's the video is about this game.
Is granny.
Yeah, no, it's not a granny game.
I mean school game.
Yeah,
But we try to escape.
we're trying to escape this game.
Hey, Messi. Stupid.
And I already escaped, bruh. I already
Bro.
escaped with no C, bruh. But I couldn't have just already escaped, bruh. This time it's gonna be easy. Where should I go?
No.
If you wanna tag us, you can always play with us if you wanna. Is this so we will give you our names on Roblox. If you wanna play with us, it's okay. If you guys wanna play with us, we have no problems. It does not matter if you have Roblox, your boy or not. You can play with us anytime, anyway. Actually, you guys may see
If you
we
don't have baby
are
Evan.
posting.
Or if you don't have
Maybe we're gonna make a role play or
Messi, help
something.
me.
Girl, I will. Just what did you do to my blocks, first of all? Girl, what's going on with your phone? Sorry, guys.
Yeah, sorry. My phone's glitching again.
Yeah.
100. But it's almost 8 o'clock, so I can eat.
Okay. Thanks. Let me check what time is it.
And I'm still annoying.
Girl. Yeah, it's actually almost 8 o'clock, guys. It's actually almost 8 o'clock.
Oh, see, Messi. Wing. I don't love it like I love you. Wing.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Messi, how do you get the code?
They're actually eating at 8:30, so no, we're not eating at 8.
Something's going on with my phone. Let's look at my phone. It's glitching.
Girl, I wanna get out of this place. Girl, I'm out.
Stop glitching.
Girl, I'm going.
Mommy.
Girl, what's wrong with you?
I can't do this. Because it's busy glitching.
I never thought that was my problem, actually.
Now I have to start all over.